here, Jonathan? We're here and we're checking kasi I'm trying to figure it out kasi nakalagay Google Translate. Alam ko lalamig siya. Ang gusto kong malaman kung pwede rin siya sa mainit. Pwede kaya? Kasi it says it's for beer. Pero pwede rin ba siya sa mainit or pang cold lang talaga? Kasi hindi niya sinasabi eh. Oh, nakalagay.
Ito po. Hot and cold.
Ganun pala yun. Oh, thank you Lord. Yun pala yun. Pag may red, ibig sabihin hot. Pwedeng cold. Okay, what about this?
Pareho din po.
Pwedeng hot, pwedeng cold. Taray. Okay. Basically, kasi ako talaga, I don't really drink very cold. I guess I'm the weird person na nag-iced tea na walang ice. Pero kanya-kanya, di ba? At ako yung umiinom ng milk tea na pinapatanggal yung ice. Pati ako nagatawa sa sarili ko. So, pwede pala. Okay. So, I'm going to buy one of this. And then one, I like, honey, can you test na if it has something inside? It's heavy na, di ba?
Yeah, it has.
It has, okay. And then I'll get one of
Oh, no, wag.
Wag, Jonathan, ba't pa tinuturuan si Memo bukas na hindi pa natin binabayaran? Okay, let's get. Do you want one?
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll get two.
I'll carry it.
No,
I'm good boy.
Thank you, honey, so much. I'm getting those. Okay, I'll show you. We bought this. Sa baba. Ganon ka-obsessed sa Japan, so kailangan may bento box na kami. Ganyan na kami kakain ng kids.
No.
Why not?
Sayang our plates.
No, but I like to eat in a bento box. Pagbigyan mo ko. I like. So we bought like that. At least portion control, sa kanila kulang. Okay. And then, he wanted sana to buy this. Para authentic yung ramen. Kaya lang lahat ng mga ramen bowls that they had are glass. So, pass na lang. Pwede to, if it's konti only, like, it's too small.
Is this a ice pick?
Like, okay. Hello ka din. Yeah, pero for me, magandang portion na to for me. It's for me. Busog na ako dito. Not for Bim and Kuya, but for the mama. Lahat nga. Sayang oh. Lahat babasagin. Ay, paray oh. Natakot pa. Para saan ito? Ito pala. Wait lang. Jonathan, ayaw mo sila, no? Para takpan mo sana to. Cute. Kaya lang nga, lahat babasagin na. Anong gagawin natin? Wala tayong gagawin. Kasi babasagin sila. Sayang. Mom, yes?
Love you.
Love you, honey.
Glass. See?
Yeah, sad.
Mommy.
You're fist bumping me again.
Jonathan said the fan. Yeah,
No.
you said in the bathroom kaya.
To fist bump your mama,
Yeah.
no? See, natuto na ako. Hindi na ako nagpapauto na i-fist bump nila ako. Because I'm a mama. Dapat wag ako pina-fist bump. Ang ganda ng mga ano. Kaya nawi-weirdan sa akin.
This is
Natutuwa ako
better.
dito. Look.
Hug.
For mama.
Love you.
I'll show you, okay? Ito yung mga binili ko. Bento box na double layer. Tapos bento box na bigger size.
Remember when you wanted to be a minimalist?
I am a minimalist. I'm only buying two of each. For me, that's a minimalist there. Some four. But look, ang ganda, oh. For miso soup. Tapos tinan mo with the lalagyan, no? I think it's very nakakaaliw. You can have guests na. Oh, your future dad.
Which one?
At least, si Bim may pinagpipilian. At least. Wait, isa lang to. Bumili tayo na to. Tapos ito na lang kasi these are the only ones in stock. Sana meron, but yun. Tatlo lang. So sorry. Wala pa kayong future dad ni Kuya. Kasi wala pa siyang ano. So there.
There's pork stew.
Wait, we have to find something na may pang-apat. So we can invite someone to be with us. Here. This was 4. And but I like this more. I think this is nicer. Okay, so this na lang. For me, it's nicer.
2 of each. Wow.
2, 4.
Wow, two
See? You can have, your future stepfather.
Which one?
Kaya nga, which one? We'll pray.
Sure will pray.
Yeah, we'll pray for him. He needs those prayers. Okay, tapos, namili na ako ng creamer, mga like that. Dumaan na kami dito. Ang last stop na lang natin, nahihilo na ako sa dami. Nag-hyperventilate ako dahil na-excite ako. Ganun ba kayo pag namimili? Na meron kayong feeling of excitement na hindi niyo maunawaan? I'm like that. It's fun. Okay, so we don't want to bother anybody. Ang daming Pinoy. There are more Pinoys. Hi! There are more Pinoys na nakasalubong namin. Okay, we'll stop first. These are the bento boxes that I bought. This is the other style for kuya, mas malaki. And then, ito yung aking makabayan version. Parang ating flat. And we bought different types. Ito yung pinapacheck ko. Another style of bento box. And this is for Jonathan.
That's for me.
Sorry. This is for Bim. And this is for Jonathan. Correct? Okay. Yes. Sorry. I got confused. And then, there's more. I'm buying more of the bento boxes. Not yet. Sabihin kayo nagmamadali. Hindi makubayat. Gusto mo niyang kunin. Nakakaya. Kulang sa big guy. Ha? There. He's rushing. I don't know why he's rushing. Hindi pa tayo bayad. Kasi pagan kayo. Okay. I wanted to show all of you. I actually endorsed this in the Philippines. Pero wala itong color na to. So I bought it here. I hope that they bring it in. It's Asbel. Pero bumili ako sa Japan. So, dahil bumili ako, sana mag-order sila and they'll bring it in para pati kayo makabili in the Philippines. These are the bowls that Bib said na we should buy it.
No, you said for your ramen.
No. It's only for me. And then you said we should buy more because there's only 3. And then I said, for your future dad. And I said, which one? And he said, you don't care anymore.
Yeah.
Why don't you care? Let's talk about that.
Life.
Anong life? What about life?
Life.
What about life?
Sometimes in life, you stop caring.
You should care.
Why?
You should pray to God that God will grant someone good. Sorry. I'm sorry. I keep talking. Maybe she said, this woman keeps talking. Dapat bayad na. Credit card. There you go. Okay. One time. Yes, thank you. Okay, so, but you should care, you should pray because if ever, He will be a part of our lives.
Oh, so happy.
Ganyan ba talaga nangyayari pag 12 years old? Nagiging sarcastic sila.
I've always been sarcastic, Mom.
Everyone says I raised you so well, ah.
I know. I'm so proud of myself. At least I'm not those kids who are rebellious and slam the door in your face.
Okay. Babalik ko muna ito. Magtatago. Bigay ko muna yung resibo. Mag-i-impake sila. I'll tell you kung bakit niya sinabi yan. Kasi tinanong niya,
Okay.
sorry ito yung stain. Ito-test natin kung mag-work yung meron daw ipapahid-pahid lang. That's because of a pen I bought. Pakita na nga natin. Let's be truthful. I bought a pen that sumabog dyan